Alright, I'm finally back in Kingston after spending weeks in Toronto, and I've been absolutely dying because this entire box of PC components have been sitting here for weeks now, and I've been dying to build it. Okay, but first, I actually need to go pick up one final component for the PC, and that is the graphics card, which I'm super duper excited for. And then after, I'm actually meeting a contact from Corsair to talk about some stuff and have a nice coffee chat, so that's gonna be really cool as well. Alright, all of my PC components are finally here, and today's the day to fulfill my childhood dream of building my first ever PC, which I am so excited for. I actually woke up at 6 a.m. for this because I want to try to complete this in one day, and because, you know, filming takes a long time and whatnot. But yeah, I'm gonna take you guys through my experience of building this, and hopefully this video is fun for you guys to watch. But first, I need to give a massive shout out to Best Buy Canada for making this PC build possible. And if you didn't already know, they actually carry a whole variety of PC components, so you have everything you need from start to finish. There are actually designated PC Builder Lab stores which you can find on the website, and in these participating locations, you can find CPUs and GPUs, RAM storage and motherboards, and even cases and fans. So make sure to check out your local Best Buy or browse online before your next PC build. But anyways, let's get back to the build, and let's start off by just walking through you guys why I chose these components. First things first, the CPU, and this one over here is the i9-14900KS top of the line special edition bin version, which is an absolute monster. And funny story, they were actually supposed to send me the i5-14600K because I was doing like a mid-range gaming build, and I would still choose that over this one. But yeah, they sent me this one instead, which honestly is perfect for my needs because I am a content creator and I edit in DaVinci Resolve and I do a lot of complex editing, so this one is gonna be so good for me. And obviously, because this chip is known to run really hot since it pulls a ton of wattage, I really need a beefy cooling system, which is why I chose a 360mm AIO from Corsair, which looks absolutely beautiful by the way. And to pair with that, I have 6 more case fans called the RX120 and has like the iCUE Link fancy stuff that should make syncing RGB along the case super beautiful, which I'm so excited for. Alright, next up we got the GPU, which is obviously super important, and I picked up this RTX 4070 Super from ASUS, and since I don't use any 4K monitors and stuff, like the 4090 and 4080 would be too overkill, and I'm really happy with this one. And that's going directly into this ASUS Tough Gaming motherboard, which has built-in Wi-Fi 6E, which is great for me because I don't want to run an Ethernet cable across my entire house just for this PC, so that's gonna be great. And also, I love ASUS products in general. I've been like a huge fan growing up all my life, and I'm Taiwanese, so I'm obviously biased. But yeah, I love Tough Gaming because their products are honestly pretty affordable and they're just great value in general. And of course, we can't forget about RAM and storage, so I just picked up the classic and legendary Corsair Vengeance RGB RAM, and this is DDR5, and it's in the 32 gig variant, which I think should be the minimum for a PC build nowadays. And then, you know, if I ever need more, I can just add in 2 more sticks to make it 64. So this one is great. I also picked up a 2TB PCIe 5 SSD, which is crazy write speeds of up to like 7,000 megabits per second. So that's gonna be absolutely crazy. And it's in white, which looks really nice with that heat shield. So yeah. And finally, we need a really good power supply to be able to handle all the wattage from the CPU and the GPU and all these other components. And this one actually goes up to 1000 watts, so that should be perfectly fine to handle all of this and any future upgrades that I do want to do. Also, this is 80+ gold certification, so that is good to know. And yeah, you may have noticed there's a ton of Corsair components. Well, that's because I actually really love Corsair. You know, as a kid, they're really popular, so I grew up loving their components. And my first peripheral was actually the Corsair Strafe mechanical keyboard, which I loved back then. So yeah, this is like paying homage to my childhood. And oh yeah, I totally forgot about the case, which is on the ground there, and I do not want to pick that big thing up. But it's the brand new Corsair Corsair 3500X case, and it looks absolutely beautiful because the front panel and the side panel are just tempered glass, and oh my god, this is actually the dream white PC build that I've always been wanting. But yeah, I'm super excited, so let's get started. I low-key am kind of scared to mess this up and break something, but you know, I grew up watching Linus, Hardware Canucks, in which I actually met Eber in real life a couple of times, and even went on an international trip with him, which is super cool, and he's like the chillest dude ever. But yeah, I've also watched like, you know, Tech Source, Paul's Hardware, Gamers Nexus, Bitwit, and all those channels growing up, so let's just wing it. Let's do it.
Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, I've been wanting this forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Hey. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra, extra. Work with me, you know that I got it. Up on the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on it and next. Up, I send you back to your ex, but good luck with that, this is big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. A moment can live on forever.
Oh my god, I can't believe it. I actually finished the build and it looks so beautiful. Oh my god. Okay, now for the moment of truth, let's see if it actually turns on, because I hope I didn't screw any of the wiring or anything up. So yeah, let's see. Dude, it turned on. Let's go. I'm honestly so glad that this PC turned on, and so far I don't think anything went wrong. I may have forgotten that you need to install Windows by yourself, and I can't seem to find my USB stick anywhere, nor do I have a Windows laptop at home. So I'm headed over back to Best Buy to buy a USB stick, and then over to my friend's house so I can actually get this PC booted up. But yeah, first build, not bad at all. This is actually a lot simpler than I thought, especially because, you know, all the components just go in. And for the power supply cables, I honestly thought that was gonna be my biggest hurdle, but if you just follow the motherboard manual, it's pretty simple and it's all self-explanatory. So if you guys are like on the verge of if you guys should build a PC or buy a pre-built, definitely build it yourself because it's a lot of fun and it's a lot easier to do. Also, for all these Corsair components, I love the fact that they have like a QR code on the box, so you can actually just scan it on your phone and boom, they'll load up a bunch of easy to follow instructions. And yeah, the build is complete and it looks absolutely immaculate and beautiful. Like, I'm just so happy. But yeah, I just decided that I'm not gonna set up the PC in the video and put in my desk setup or whatever, because first of all, my desk is absolutely messy and it's completely full right now, so there's nowhere to even put the PC and it's not set up properly to be able to handle this PC. So I think I'm actually gonna do that for my next video, where I'm gonna like revamp this entire wall and desk setup and make it look really, really nice, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, I'm just so excited to use this PC because my current laptop is a base model M1 MacBook Air, and I've been editing for the past 4 years of that, and it's been absolutely torture. It's an absolute torture to use and just terrible. Plus, I haven't gamed since like middle school, so if I have the time, which probably not, I will actually try out some games with this PC, which should be a beast. But yeah, oh my god, thank you guys so much for watching, and obviously huge shout out to Best Buy Canada for making this PC possible, and I just can't wait to hear comments down below about what you guys think about this PC. Also, make sure to leave a sunglasses emoji down below so I know you guys are a real one, and smash a like and subscribe button to stay tuned for the upcoming desk setup revamp, and also check out the other awesome content on my channel. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching again, have a good one, and I'll see you guys in the next one.